When you begin to think about using the Vancko Hall Gradebook, it is important first to determine what your course grading policy or schematics will be. On the screen is an example of what this might look like, where you break down the activities in the course into categories, and each category has a weight. This is a good way to begin setting your gradebook up. It is also a very easy way to set up your course grading and add that into a gradebook on Vancko Hall. When you enter your course in Vancko Hall, it's okay if you do not turn editing on. The first step will be to locate your administration block. It is normally on the right-hand side, and you will click on Gradebook Setup. In this example I am showing, you may already have assignments in your Vancko Hall course. That is okay. The very first step you will take, no matter if you have assignments in your course or not, is across from the name of your course. Mine says Erica Test. Click on Edit and Edit Settings. In the grade category, the aggregation, if it is not already, should be set to weighted mean of grades. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. The very next step will be to add categories. You will click on the Add Category button, give the category a name, and the aggregation method will stay the default. It should be Simple Weighted Mean of Grades. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Continue adding categories until you've reached the number that you need per your syllabus. Each time, checking that the aggregation is the default Simple Weighted Mean of Grades, and click Save Changes. Once you have added all of the categories you need, your gradebook will begin to look something like this, where any assignments that you had in already will show up at the top, and then you'll see your categories that you've made. Here, across from the categories, you'll see boxes that have 0 in bold. This is where you're going to put the weights for each category. You will type it directly into the box. Going down the line, just like this, you may need to double check with your syllabus. And once you have typed in the weights for each of your categories, you will click on Save Changes. The next step is for individuals who already have assignments in their gradebook that need to be put into a category. As you can see, I have assignment 1, 2, and 3. Those will need to go into the essays category. This might be different for your course. I am using this as an example. What I first will do is select these checkboxes for assignment 1, 2, and 3. Scroll to the bottom of the gradebook, and in this menu I will move the selected items to the correct category. All you need to do is click the category and the page will reload, and it has now moved the assignments into the correct category. This next step is for individuals who had in-class assignments that they now need to add to the Vancko Hall Gradebook. You will scroll to the bottom and add a grade item. You will name the item, adjust the maximum grade if necessary. Next, what you will do, and this is an important step, is you will choose the category that the assignment goes into. For this one, I will put it in the participation category. Again, if you need to add an assignment from class time into your Vancko Hall Gradebook, an assignment that was handed in class, you will click Add Grade Item. the name of the assignment, adjust the maximum grade as necessary, and again, very important, in the parent category section, you will choose the grade category. This one goes into quizzes, and click Save Changes. Continue on following these steps until your gradebook has the assignments that you need inside of it. As you add assignments to your courses, you may need to come back to the gradebook and double check that they are in the correct category. As with anything else, if you have any questions, you can reach a member of the Kalos Center Educational Technology and Instruction team by contacting the help desk at helpdesk@delhi.edu or by phone at 607-746-4835.